Yes, sir. We
Okay.
can see.
Yes,
Okay, I
sir.
got answer.
Yes, sir.
I got answer. Here you can
Yes,
see
sir.
0 degree latitude, equator. Then after equator, if we move to north or south, both the side, 23.5 degree. 23.5 degree north, there is Tropic of Cancer. In south, there is Tropic of Capricorn. After that, you can see 66.5 degree northern latitude. There is Arctic Circle. And same latitude 66.5 in the south. It is Antarctic Circle. This way, our Earth is divided according to temperatures. Here, nearby equator means start from equator to Tropic of Cancer as well as Tropic of Capricorn. It is hot area, hot region, and so that is called torrid zone. Then between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, as well as between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. This area means 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree north and south. That area is called temperate zone. Here is average temperature, not so heat, not much cold. And last two, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. From there, it is too cold, and that is called frigid zone. This way, our Earth is divided into different zones and different areas. Now, we have seen this rays of sun. You can see here directly sun rays fall here between this area, Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. Means here direct sun rays are there, and so that heat is much. While in this area, means between 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree north as well as south. Here
Which
sun rays
number?
falls plenty, and so that temperature is lower comparison to here. In our language, we can say here average temperature. And last, Arctic Circle as well as Antarctic Circle. These are frigid zone. Mostly sun rays are not reach properly. Beside this, they covered with snow forever. Here in both area, there are 6 months days as well as 6 months night. Means throughout the year, they have 1 day and 1 night. Then we have discussed yesterday GPS. What is GPS? As we have discussed, the full form of GPS is Global Position System. By this, we can know where is the location of particular place, city, country, or even if we are at some particular place. At that time, from our mobile, we can get our location by GPS system. By this system, we can also get information about nearby areas as well as any place of the world, wherever it is far away. How far is it? How can we go? It shows us the way, different way by railroad, road, and air route. It also shows us distance and also give us the time, how much time it will take by some particular way to reach that destination. Sometimes you heard about someone who are mostly your elders who are asking or talking with their friends or relatives and ask they send your location. That location is related to this GPS location. Now our topic, page number 52, Greenwich line. First of all, Pipalya Hetvi, read.
Okay, sir. Major longitudes. Greenwich Mean Time GMT line. The 0 point longitude which passes
0 degree,
through
beta, it is 0 degree.
the 0 degree longitude which passes through Greenwich City of England is called Greenwich Line. Greenwich Line divides Earth into two equal parts from east to west, which is known as Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. The longitudes up to 180 degree of Greenwich line are called eastern longitudes, and the longitudes up to 180 degree V of Greenwich line are called western longitudes.
Yes, Greenwich line. It is also called 0 degree latitude. As yesterday discussed, its location is in England, area is Greenwich, and so that it is called Greenwich line. From there, we calculate 0 degree. Two major longitude, Greenwich line and international date line. Here we are talking about Greenwich line. It is 0 degree, passes through Greenwich. It is a city near in England, and that is why the line is called Greenwich line. This line divides the Earth into two parts, two equal parts, Eastern Hemisphere as well as Western Hemisphere. Means the area to the east side of this line is considered as Eastern Hemisphere. The area which is to the west to this line is called Western Hemisphere. At last, in east side and west side, 180 longitude, both sides, and thus total number of longitudes are 360. This 180-degree longitude is also called International Date Line. It is there. Then next one, we are talking about International Date Line. Varthera here will read. If you have textbook, you can start or wait to slide.
Yes, sir.
Varthera here, you can start.
International date line 180-degree longitude is called International Date Line. It is just one longitude. The date and time changes when we cross the line. It passes through the Pacific Ocean. It is exactly not at 180 degree. At some places it is in zigzag form. The reason behind it is that if it is drawn strange, it will cross same island or the some countries become of which two dates will mix up on the same island in some places while going to other side of an island that may change which will create confusion
Confusion.
private this confusion. The line is div-
Deviate
divided
roughly.
deviated roughly to avoid and confusion of date. This line is drawn through the સર પછી નથી વચાતું.
Sea and not the land. Yes, clear. International date line, second one, major longitude. As we have discussed, 0 degree, it is called Greenwich line. Why? 180 degree from 0 degree. It is called longitude international date line. When we cross this line, at that time, date and day both will change. The line is drawn in Pacific Ocean, and mostly the sea area or water area is there in the line. But in the line, there are so many large and small islands, so that it is drawn zigzag. Otherwise, in the same island, same place, there would be 2 days and 2 days, and that will create confusion. That is why this line has been drawn zigzag. Very good. Here you can see international date line in black dot. Suppose here is island, it is this way. continue then this way. Again island move this way and again drone shape. So that when we cross, suppose here is Monday, here is Sunday. When we cross from here, it will be Monday. When we will cross from here, it will be Sunday. So if it is here straight, at that time in same country, suppose here it is Russia, 2 day and 2 date will be there because Monday and Sunday date will be changed. So to avoid this confusion, this line has been drawn zigzag, not straight. Means in water bodies or water area, means where there is water area, only there this line has been drawn. Now we are moving towards tropic zone. As we have discussed this diagram, whenever we were discussing latitude. Now it is the turn of Jagad Asta.
Okay, sir. Tropics zone. From the given figure 9-10, it becomes clear the Earth is divided in different parts on the basis of difference in temperature, light, heat, and cold. These parts are called zones. Regions receiving more or less light and heat have been divided as follows.
Yes, here you can see in this diagram, we have just discussed the same. 0 degree, which describe equator from here to Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This region which get maximum heat, and so that it is called tropic zone. Torrid zone. After that, temperate zone. Here temperature is not so high, not so low, and this area is called temperate zone. And last two, frigid zone, north and south. Here almost snow covered throughout the year. This way, according to the temperature, our Earth has been divided into different portions. In the same diagram, you can see here different zone, torrid zone or tropical zone. Both are the same. Here heat is too much because throughout the year sun rays fall directly. Second one, temperate zone. Here it is called moderate zone. It is because cold and heat both will be moderate here. And last one, frigid zone. It is near the pole, North Pole as well as South Pole. And that is why this area is called frigid zone or polar zone because it covers throughout the year with snow. Now, motion of the earth. We are moving towards its different types of motions over the earth. Before that, if you have any question,